Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see, then you gotta know, bitches, they only care about the flow, come on, you know how the story go. This the shit that never running, they always pretending, acting kinda sinning, they mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon, that we living like long division, my vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison, shit is deeper than it.
Tonight, we are going to Birdcage. Actually, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then I'll come back, because eyebrows aren't interesting. My eyebrows look dramatic. Huda Beauty rose gold palette. Yeah, this isn't so much like a tutorial. I'm just gonna get ready and you're gonna watch it, or you can like get ready with me. I don't think I've been this excited. Oh no. I think I'm coming down with a cold. That's fun. Should I take a swig of... Wait, are you supposed to have medicine alcohol? Do not drink alcohol. So basically I'm giving the medicine a miss and I'm putting alcohol first. I mean, it's my birthday, can you blame me? Like, and it's currently like 25 to 9 and we're going out at like 11, I think. That gives me 2 hours and 25 minutes, which is fair enough. Okay, in the silent parts of this video, I'm just gonna play music. So right now I'm literally just gonna play music, okay? Cool. I feel bad because my door's like wide open. I'll shut it. Get down. Okay, so if you follow me on like Instagram, you'd have seen that I went into Manchester and had Pizza Hut with my flatmate Lucy. We went shopping in Selfridges. Oh no, I can feel it. No, suck it up, suck it up. That's probably like the most productive weekend I've had for a while. I bought one top. I would show it to you right now, but I'm gonna show it in my what I got for my birthday video, which will come up like after this, I guess. I will show that at some point. This is like my favourite song. I don't know the words though. The thing about my dress is that like it looks good and everything, but I don't know if it's if I can really dance in it without something slipping out. You will see when I show you the dress. On the topic of my birthday, a lot of people tend to get confused of my age. So obviously, as this video has gone up, I'm turning 19. Most people think that I look a lot younger, which I kind of agree with. I think I've had 1 or 2 people say to me, I can feel it, oh my god, I can feel it. I look older, as in like, I tell them my age and they're like shocked because I look older apparently. That's only happened like twice, but just to reassure everyone, I am 19, I am no younger, I am no older. As time goes on, I will be getting older, but not to the year, so yeah. Ooh. Oh, let's do that. I'm just doing my makeup, forgetting I'm supposed to film, so contoured my nose a bit. I don't know if I like it. This is like a really bad issue with me. I seem to like steal other people's alcohol because I never buy my own. I mean, it's only like a few glasses or like a can, especially because it's my birthday. I feel like I should be the supplier. Good news, I have a bev. We've got a hefty glass of Prosecco here, boys. Again, I sort of forgot to film, but I'm so hyped because when I know that I'm feeling myself, my eyeliner doesn't mess up, and my eyeliner has not messed up, and it's been so easy to put on, and I'm so amazed. And it's like actually even kind of, and I'm feeling myself, and I've had 3 sips of Prosecco and I'm feeling it, like I've got tingles and I'm starting to sweat a bit, so that's fun. Look at it, look at it. Look at it. I've straightened my hair. And I'm not drunk yet, I'm just excited. By the time I finish it, I've literally not even drank half of it, so by the time I've had it, I don't know, we'll see. here is me today. Till I even, sorry. Okay. Obviously I don't have the heels on yet, but we will get the I need to moisturize my legs. Oh my god. Okay, I need to do that.